Bella.
Man, y'all smell delicious. Oh, my bad. I shouldn't have said that. Hey guys, so we've got this customer that just came in a little bit ago, and she doesn't have any money, but she's got some dogs that she wants to trade in. And so, we take, all kinds of stuff in on trade. And so I don't know what kind of dogs they are, but I'm looking forward to it. I like dogs, and so we'll see what she's got. Oh, look at them doggies.
Yeah, look at them.
Okay. So what kind of dogs? So what you got here?
I got 2 French Bulldogs here, and I was just wondering. I don't have any cash on me.
Okay.
But can I use them as a down payment?
Yeah, probably. So you say what kind of dogs are these?
They're French Bulldogs.
French Bulldogs?
Yeah.
Okay. And so why you want to use them as paydays?
Listen, I ain't got the time for it.
Okay.
These aren't even mine. These are my ex's dogs.
Okay.
And I work too much.
Okay.
I don't got time for
Taking care of the dogs.
taking care of them. It's just too much for me.
So what kind of dogs are these again?
Ken, you people should know what kind of dogs these are.
Like what you mean, you people? What you're implying sounds a little racist. Like you're implying, are you implying that I eat dogs?
I mean,
Well,
you might.
well, they do look delicious. So what? How much are you looking to get for these? How much are they worth?
I don't know.
Okay.
I really don't know.
Okay. So pretty much anything I give you.
I'll take anything.
Okay. All right. So what I've got to do is I've got to do a little bit of research to see what they're worth. What can I get for them? Because what I have to do is I got to resell them. I don't have a place for them, and so I don't want to take them to the shelter. I mean, they look like good dogs, and so I got to do a little bit of research, and I can get back with you in a couple of hours. Is that okay?
That's fine.
Okay. She says they're French Bulldogs. When I spoke French to them, they didn't say nothing back in French. They just kept doing their own thing. But I need you guys' help. Let me know what kind of dogs they are, if they really are French Bulldog, and how much they're worth. And so she doesn't know how much they're worth. I don't know how much they're worth. Let me know how much they're worth and what I can resell them for. All right, put it down in the comments.